It's the 13th of June 2023. We have Kungsgatan 5 here in Norrköping, actually in Sweden. And this elevator also has 8 floors. It was built in the beginning of 1989. And some of these elevators were built in late 1988, but this essential building was finished in 1989. The capacity is 13 persons and 1,000 grams. And this number is 74 NE 4114. It also deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
But I don't know if somebody's going to probably. Strange. That was weird.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody went out.
Yeah.
And those here are the downset here. And Otis here small fixtures. Oh, it has amazing sounds.
Yeah.
They all got, but I think this is even better.
Yeah.
Does the Otis look up by that door now? I'll sit down.
Inspected by the grandmother temp Otis, so now describe this.
Yeah, because you can control the buttons and now sit down.
Yeah.
Yeah. That you're the elevator man this time when you're controlling.
Yeah.
It feels like it's air conditioned inside. Kind of.
Yeah.
It feels chilly, but that's good. That's just good in the heat.
Mm.
I like the movement it makes. It's so cozy.
Yeah.
It's very strongly late in the 80s. But I also think that this kind of machine also sounds a little bit like Simic.
That's